In today's biopharma environment, precision, safety, and efficiency are everything. Meet the next evolution in digital operations: augmented reality-powered smart glasses, bringing hands-free, step-by-step guidance directly to the operator. As the operator begins a new process, the AR glasses display the standard operating procedure right in view, so there's no need to look away or handle paper instructions. Each step appears clearly on the display with digital prompts, images, and real-time validation checks. This ensures every action is performed accurately and safely, all while being synced with ERP or back-end systems in real time. The operator stays focused on the task, confident, efficient, and fully compliant. But even in the most controlled environments, unexpected issues can arise. When that happens, help is just a voice command away. The operator initiates a See What I See remote call, instantly connecting with an expert elsewhere in the facility. Through the live video feed, the expert sees exactly what the operator sees, providing real-time troubleshooting and visual guidance. Together, they collaborate seamlessly, resolving the issue quickly without stopping production or compromising safety. This is the future of connected operations, combining augmented reality and a digitalized knowledge base to empower every operator in every step of every process. Smarter SOPs, smarter biopharma. This is innovation seen through new eyes.